In this video, you'll see how I got my car from Washington, D.C. to Florida overnight for less than $400. Let's get started. So first off, I booked a coach seat and vehicle ticket on the Amtrak auto train for $388. The station is just outside of Washington, D.C. in Lorton, Virginia. So Deanna says she's going to subscribe to me. She asked me to write down the my channel name and let her know when the video comes up. So
yeah, let's see it.
Now, normally you would board the train off to the right after checking in, but since I'm flying down, I went back to the parking lot to meet up with my Uber driver. Thanks, Ruben. Appreciate it, buddy.
No problem, sir.
See you soon, buddy. Thanks.
See you.
I ended up flying down for free since I had a credit with Southwest Airlines, but I saw other flights for around $60 if I had needed to pay. All right, I made it. A little dirty, but should be able to get out just fine. Let's do it.
I don't think I'm pretty enough for you too.
Nah, well, Floyd let me crash at his place and fly down to avoid the coach seats on the auto train, so hey, he gets to drive the S2K today. It's been a while for you, hasn't it?
Yeah, I miss my Genesis, dude. I don't have a stick anymore, I just have a Camry. I used to fly, but now I walk.
Guess so. Yeah, that revving, that willingness to keep revving after you want to shift.
Yeah.
Took a while to get used to that for me.
Huh?
Took a while for me to get used to that. Having to fully come off the gas.
Yeah.
But you got it.
I did it for like 3 years.
Yeah. And sure enough, I made it to South Florida in time for the holidays. Let's do a breakdown of the costs and savings. The total cost for me to take this trip was $399. The auto train was $388, and the Uber would be $48.62, but I had a credit. I bought breakfast for Fouad for $11, and I slept on his couch for free. Without having friends in town or any of these credits, the trip would have cost $597.06. The auto train at $388, the Uber at $48.62, the second Uber from an airport hotel to the train station in Florida, the hotel itself, and the cheapest plane ticket I could find down. If I had decided to pay the extra fee for the Amtrak sleeper car, my trip would have been $898, but I would have also had one less evening in Florida. I could have decided to take the train down and ride in the coach seat, but with the extremely bumpy ride and my bad back, it would have been very uncomfortable. It could have even ruined my trip. And again, I would have had one less evening in Florida. Driving to Florida could have been the cheapest option at about $250, but with potentially bad weather, delays, and adding 1,000 miles to my car, I decided it wouldn't be worth it. So in conclusion, if you don't mind sitting in a coach-style seat for 17 hours on a bumpy train ride, or driving over 1,000 miles in your car, you might be able to save a bit more money than I did. But if you want to try something different for just a bit more money and enjoy another evening in Florida, flying down and meeting your car in Florida is the way to go.